What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to get the high capacity air tank in Subnautica 2. It's the upgraded air tank, which gives you a lot more air to breathe underwater. What you want to do is from your life pod, head directly to 10 in this direction here, which takes you all the way through past this giant drop on the way towards the giant clam or jaw, I think it's called, in this same direction. You'll see this hanging off piece of metal there. That's fine. And still heading directly to 10, you'll eventually find this wreck over here, which is exactly 270-ish, 300 meters from your base in the 210 direction. Out here, you'll be heading down and into it, where you'll see this doorway. Inside of here, on your left, you'll find the high-capacity air tank recipe data card here, which unlocks it for you. A speech about the twins here. And inside of here as well, you'll find, if you haven't already unlocked, the processor, as well as a bit further on here. On the right side of the room, we've got the room recipe card here as well, which allows us to craft rooms and stuff underwater, a supply crate with some batteries, and I think there's a little bit more to scan in here, which is just the lab chair here. Once you've unlocked it here, you can head out and back towards your life pod / base, where you should now, at a fabricator, you'll be able to craft yourself the high-capacity air tank, upgrading your standard one with some plasteel ingots, which, if you craft yourself using a habitat builder, the refiner here, on the left side you can configure plasteel, which, once you craft using titanium and lithium, you should be able to craft yourself the upgraded air tank. Now, if you haven't already got lithium, there's a simple way to do so. Head back out, and we'll be continuing in the 210 direction once more. So, if you haven't got lithium while you're there, from the previous wreck that we explored down here, you can continue roughly towards the left side, where you'll find this giant clam-looking thing, which is essentially a Venus flytrap. You'll fly into the jaw, as it's called, and inside of here, you'll find some wires which, if you cross, will activate the jaw closing. If you're stuck inside here, well, that's it for you. But just over here, you'll see that there's some lithium sitting over here, which we can actually pick up. You'll be able to use your sonic resonator to break it, pick it up, and then you can simply just swim to the side as this jaw closes really slowly. Once you grab that, you're able to craft yourself the upgraded oxygen tank. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.